Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Mahabhagya Yoga in Vedic astrology. Mahabhagya Yoga will differ in two aspects, one for men, another for women. Let's study Mahabhagya Yoga in detail. Mahabhagya Yoga in Vedic astrology. For men born in day with sun, moon and ascendant are in odd sign, while for the women born in night with sun, moon, ascendant are in the even sign leads to the formation of Mahabhagya Yoga. Moon is the planet that signifies mother, mental state, hotel business, import-export business. Sun represents ego, heart, government jobs, leadership skills. First house represents beginning of life, outlook towards life. In this yoga, again a kind of result one gets in this combination will depend upon whether sun, moon and ascendant are benefic or malefic in the birth chart. If all these planets are benefic in the birth chart, then one can gain from all the significance above, but if there are malefic results will be negative and will be vice versa if two planets are benefic while ascendant is malefic, then mixed results will come for the native. For example, men born in day time and sun in Aries ascendant and moon in Leo in 5th house will be great combination. Then what will be the results? One will be lovable, energetic and have broad outlook for life. One will get happiness from children. One will get help and support from mother. One will acquire house and vehicle. This is all about Mahabhagya Yoga. Let's proceed. This is my website. The link of the website has been given in the description box. Anyone can reach me through the website for the consultation purpose, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.